relaxed. No cap. But I know if I have those two things each and every day of my life, if I have those two things that help me get by, if I have those two things, love and alcohol, if I have those two things that day, I will be sleeping good on that night. Thank you.
Mine is short and sweet. Positivity. Let everyone with breath breathe it. Let everyone with sight see it. Let everyone with a voice shout it. And let everyone with an attitude be about it. Be positive.
The struggle within the struggle, tied up in another struggle, is the reality of my being a black woman living in America. Always the last miss on the list, but the first to be dismissed by misguided men who admit to survive the struggle with. Instead, it's a tug of war on who started, perpetuates and continues to reignite this war amongst the masses of black and brown bodies. It's to match masses, massively packaging strategy, but the ramifications remain the same. We ain't even in the game. Just the poems at play, right into their palms, practically providing our counterparts, playing puppeteer, a perfect pulley system to pull our strings on. I'm saying they aren't even doing the heavy lifting anymore. We are positioning our fears in all the right places, internalize hate in all the right places. It's a mere problem we're facing. We're setting pointing fingers for three, pointing back. At what point do we stop? Take stock of unspoken contracts we sign. Despite the systemic disruption, take accountability for our state, for this space in between us. We all are in a long-distance relationship with love for one another. Instead of touting the titles of king and queen, yet too deep in the distinction of divinity, all while deepening the divide, delineating the difference of who does more damage, doesn't do it seems good, yet a disservice. We're dealing damage with a double-edged sword, dissecting the dysfunction, rather than getting at the root, but some of y'all too afraid to dig that deep. Sealing the deal, folks simply scanning the surface and somehow sick when you sexing in them sad sheets. Seeing simple and Satan, too wrapped in them silky sixes, since some sisters so stuck on snagging a solid six nigga. You know, he gotta be 6 foot, pulling 6 figures, pushing the 600 horsepower with. Yeah. I see the seductive saboteur said he's sitting stand and setting his back. Said he's grinding the chains that leads to the baseball body of the bag, but you better believe
I'm afraid I'm going to run out of memory. So I hope you enjoyed the second part of the lightning round for Black Snow's show tonight. Check me out at Instagram.com/Roy, ROYG, period, or GEE, Bivens, and also on Facebook, Roy, ROYG, period, Bivens. Same on YouTube. Good night, y'all.